much frustration and losing things a million times and taking forever to pack up and deciding I could truly not wear anything else than my rattiest t-shirt and coziest leggings, we are headed out to the cabin, finally. This is gonna be a good and pivotal weekend because I am going to be doing a lot of like zhuzhing. This morning, we tried to spell tchotchke. We both like had a spelling contest because we put on our list to get some tchotchkes for the cabin. And we were like, how do you spell that? And we had a spelling contest. Neither one of us got it right. Quiz. Do you know how to spell it? Don't cheat. Don't cheat. We'll check it at the end of the video. Anyway, we're headed to the cabin. I'm going to stop at Anthropologie and get some little like bits and bobs. We're going to go to Target, Home Goods. I really want to do some vintage shopping for the cabin for like the decor pieces. But since I don't have time to do that today before we go out, I'm going to have to try and do that next week. I have to accept that this is just a work in progress. Every part of me is like, can it just be done now? Can I be done now? And the answer for today is no, babe, no. I journaled about it this morning about being hard on myself about how long it's taking and feeling frustrated, but good things take time. I'm reminding myself. So come along with us for a little fun weekend at the cabin. Help me put some of the final touches on the decor before we go in for the final round. I think will be like with vintage stuff. It's gonna be fun. Okay, first stop, Home Goods. I don't know what we're gonna find here, but we've got, ooh! We've got some nice outdoor furniture. They're gonna have some great stuff, I just know it. I'm trying to think of what we're actually looking for. I know we need like pillows, we need a duvet to put the duvet cover on. Look at that egg chair. Oh my God, look at this umbrella. Oh my God, everything is so cute. My goodness. Oh my gosh, this umbrella, very cute. Hear me out. I think we should get some faux plants because sometimes if I'm not there enough to water them, they could die, but this one looks cute. Looking for pillows and a down comforter. And I keep finding a lot of other things. I'm like, this would be great for the house. And he's like, stay focused. And I'm like, let me live. We found some quality pillows and like a nice down comforter, a little plant that looks semi-real. We're doing good. As we were finding bath sheets, don't flash them. We were looking for towels, and obviously we have to have bath sheets because they wrap around my curvy booty, but man, they have the softest towels. I think it's gonna be so nice to have everything there just be like the softest, most luxurious like hotel feel. Well, I do declare we found some things. Okay, I think my favorite find all day is this little butterfly art. I think it's gonna be so cute for the cabin. And I think I showed you guys last time that there's a little butterfly in the rock in the front of the house, and I feel like it's a vibe. All right, we made it to Anthro, and of course, I'm getting lost in all of the outfits. Now that we know we're definitely traveling, my mind is like buzzing. I'm like, I just need to get my little wardrobe together, and I'm so close. And they have so many cute summer dresses and so many cute accessories. Oh my gosh, this hat is so cute. And so is this one. Pretty cute. I have had my eye on this hat from different places for a while.
I'm sorry.
You told me that you... Who cares? It's a no? Really?
I just don't like it personally.
I can't believe it. I thought I was gonna swim. Okay, I found some dresses that I'm goo goo gaga over, but they're already at the front. But then I saw this, and it reminds me of that lost, like the Zara top moment that couldn't be. Maybe we can have another moment. Ooh, this is like a mermaid. I lost another hat debate. I was sure that this was gonna be the coolest one. I literally can't even see if I wear it. Like it doesn't,
So you have to cut
there's zero visibility, but it's so cool. Dang it, I want it so bad. Okay, this is 1000% a yes. I'm absolutely obsessed.
Caught up in a cycle in this toxic kind of world. My manic is panicking if I'm really the type of girl who stays up until the morning. It's boring, at least I hear some type of interaction not too far from here. Raindrops keep falling.
I cannot. Color story. Like, I think I'm committing to a theme here, and I'm not mad. Okay, we are going on a very fancy date night. First of all, look how packed the car is. It's so packed that I had to I had to have this seashell, like this giant ceramic seashell on my lap. Guess where we're going to dinner, baby? I'm just gonna show you and you're gonna know. Like, is it gonna be good? Is it not gonna be good? We haven't had it in years. We're feeling nostalgic. Chili's, baby back. Man, I wish that this was in real time so you guys could tell me what to order at Chili's. Tell me what your favorite chain restaurant is. Do you guys think that Chili's slaps or is Chili's whack? Because I don't know. I have not been in literal years. The last time I tried to go was at an airport, and they changed the recipe of the chicken crispers, and they were no longer like the light fluffy batter. They were like not the same. So I don't have high hopes, but here we are. Oh, he said that it starts at the door. Like, that's a nice touch. Oh, listen, I just sang that and I didn't finish it, and now that sign finished it for me, the song. I mean, I think we should get margaritas. Do you see? Look at the texture.
Oh, yeah,
that's not right. It's different. All right, moment of truth. Are these Chili's Casamigos margaritas good?
Careful, they're gonna be very hot.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Whoa, these look awesome. Chili's bag photo shoot. Oh man, here's the part where it gets so messy because we're unpacking every little thing in every corner, and it's okay. This place is a mess, and there's a lot of work to do. But if I help you and you help me, we might... This is not working. I thought I was going to have a rhyme, and I thought, whatever. So yeah, everything's a mess, and there's stuff everywhere. I'm feeling a little discouraged. I'm not going to lie. I just do not see the vision for the pillows. Like, I've been trying a bunch of different combos of them, and nothing's like feeling right or looking right. I just feel like it still feels a little barren. I'm not sure if the rug is distracting. I'm just like second guessing everything and feeling like, what about the furniture, the way it's like arranged? Is that weird? I don't know. It's weird. I have like a little overwhelm coming over, but I just made another coffee. And yeah, I just did my little writing workshop. So now we're going to reset. We stopped and obviously had breakfast at the little coffee shop and brought it back here. And I'm just going to start digging in and just like putting everything in its place. And then I think I'll know like, it feels a little bare there, or ooh, that could use a little something there. I just feel a little over my head because I'm like, I don't know, I'm not an interior designer, and I just want everything to feel, I don't know, I'm ready for this to be done because now I have no excuses because I have all the pieces, like all the furniture's here, and I'm going to do my little reveal of everything and like the exciting brand partnership that I did with it, like the brand that I collaborated with. And so I'm so excited about sharing that all, but it's like I feel the pressure of it being like perfect. And I know it's going to take a long time to like sink in, and things can change and things might change, but I think I just need to like have fun with it, not to put too much pressure on myself, and hopefully soon this mess will be gone. So come hang out with us while we put the cabin together. All right, I get the pleasure of unpacking the stuff we found at Anthro yesterday so that we could do like, well, first of all, the fitting room stuff. I got so many cute things for Europe, and I'm really excited. I think I'm gonna do, because I ordered a couple things that didn't fit. I ordered in my size to try at home. So I'm gonna do like a full Anthro like European moment dedicated try on for you guys as I'm like finalizing my packing. But I thought I could at least show you the cute home stuff. So the store that we went to didn't have a big home selection. So I'd really like to still go to like the one in Manhattan Beach, I think, here in LA, or actually I think South Coast Plaza has the biggest one. So I think I'm gonna try to go there when I'm in that area on Friday. And just see if they have any more bits and bobs for home, just because I think they have the cutest accessories and just like the best stuff. But you won't believe this deal. They had an extra 40% off home sale, and these freaking cute glasses that I'm obsessed with, they were originally $14, and then they were on sale for $10, and so 40% off that, each one was like $5, like $5 and some change. Then I got 4 of them. So like $20 for 4 beautiful Anthro glasses. I think that's a score. Oh gosh, I just love how that hint of like green with the pink, it looks so cute. All right, we got this little berry bowl, which at home we always use our berry bowl. So we actually got an extra one for home because I just have one. I have like a white one and like another one there, or like a tan one. So we got this in like this kind of cream speckled and this green speckled, because we just love keeping fresh berries around. So we'll just like rinse them and keep them in the fridge. And then we like these little egg holders. I just like to merchandise things and make them feel homey. And I just wanted a lot of cute little bowls and things to put on the shelves, so it felt like lived in and homey, and we had everything we needed. And then somebody over here found all kinds of kitchen gadgets, didn't you, babe?
You know, just the essentials.
So actually you found like a really good deal on a Viking at Home Goods. We went to Home Goods also, and was my treasure find, was this cute little hand painted mug, which I think is kind of a vibe. I was hoping it wouldn't look too baby shower. Let's look. Let's see if it's too much. I don't know if I'm even going to keep these. They came with the house. They're just from IKEA. The weird thing is that I have the exact ones at my own home back home. So maybe we will, just because if they break or anything, we've got backups. But I think it's cute. I think it's coming together. I just want it to look like eclectic and fun. I found a really nice Viking pot, which we assumed was good because the Viking ranges are good. If you guys are really into cooking and we're wrong, just tell us, but be kind. We thought we were like, ooh, score.
Seems legit.
Seems legit. All right, we have some more objects to unbox. I forgot we got these, and now I have mixed feelings, but we'll see how it goes. Remember? I don't know. These are like not, they look like glass, but they're plastic, because we were thinking if we wanted to go sit outside on the Adirondack chairs and like have something a little bit more durable, especially because one day we really want to put a hot tub here. We thought that it would be nice to have like plastic glasses. But I'm a little worried about how they're gonna look. It does kind of like bring in the like living room hues. So I'm just, yeah, I think it's cool. Just like, I think it's cool to have like a few different colors on the shelf. I just didn't want it to look like rainbow, but it doesn't, because they're kind of weird hues. Stickers are annoying. He's over there struggling with the sticker. I was gonna show you all this thing, which I know is a lot given the other thing that we got, but I had to. I'm obsessed with seashells. I don't know what anyone wants from me. I don't know. It's just like a cool little vessel. I'm trying to decide if the one on the coffee table is actually too big and if I should maybe put a smaller one instead. Let's go look. Okay, here's what's going on right now on the coffee table. So I've got like an art book, and then I got this giant shell. I think you guys saw that I was carrying it in my lap earlier when we were coming here, but it's just so cool. But then I got this little guy. So I'm just trying to decide, do we keep the small shell? Like, I can't decide if this, obviously I wouldn't have them both. So like, it would be either like this, or else I could take the big shell away, put something else over here. I don't know. I'm just like, is the shell too much on this table? Do I keep it more clear? Who knows? Anyway, one of these is going to live here. One of them is going to live at home, but we don't know yet. Okay, the last Anthro piece is this light pink candlestick. I actually already have a couple more, but I can't remember. I don't think I have this one because I just think there's a lot of pink going on in the house, and I wanted to tie it in more like kind of interesting ways. So I know what to do. Okay, I know what to do. Okay, these plates are looking absolutely perfect here. I'm actually loving the pink and green together. I was afraid it was gonna look like cheesy, but I actually think it looks perfect. He's giving me the honor of unboxing the last plate. And I go put it up with the others.
I like how they're all like slightly unique too. Like they have a different pattern.
They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I am really digging this. Okay, this is my prized possession. This is my favorite thing I got at Anthro yesterday. Even though you saw the seashell and I like screamed and cried over that and had like a moment with several people at the store. This, well, probably because it also kind of looks like a seashell. Are you serious? This looks like a vintage vase I once saw at a store that I like never stopped thinking about. And it's amazing. It's like got this really like kind of rough speckly ceramic stuff going on, and I'm in love, and I don't know where she's gonna live, but she's gonna live well. Where do you want to be? Where do you want? I think maybe up here, behind here. There's another Home Goods score. This was $16, and it's like a really cute little tiny trash can because the bathroom is so small. So I'm hoping, let's go try it. It's just like the space is so tiny that it's hard to find something that would work. So I'm hoping that this will like slip in the corner, and I thought these colors would be fun together. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Oh my gosh, it's perfect because it's so petite. I also need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this bathroom because this is the shower curtain and stuff that came with it. So I kind of want to like revamp, but I love it. It's such a moment. We also, our butterfly artwork did sustain some injuries in the car. Something dripped on it and it got messed up and we have to figure out how to reframe it. But I do think it is going to be so perfect here. Like, it's just gonna be so cute. We are building, and by we I mean absolutely not me. My love is building this sick lamp. It's one of the coolest like shapes of lamp I've ever seen. I can't wait to see this. It's gonna have two like balls on top. Washing the new sheets and steaming the new duvet so we can make the bed. Adding light bulbs to the lamps. It's really all coming together. Right, I don't want to show too much. I cannot wait to see the last few little bits come together here. Like, I feel like last night I felt defeated and nervous. And today, after just like a nice day of like working on it all day, like things are kind of starting to come in together. Like, it's very, very close. I would say like one more day like this and I have to pick up just a few more things. And I think it's going to be ready. And I'm so excited for the big reveal. I will do like a full tour. I will tell all about it. I just feel so, it finally feels real. Bye, baby girl. We will see you soon. I'm gonna come back this week and finish things up. Thank you for hanging out with us as we finish this fun project. I cannot wait to take you on the full tour of her and just, I just can't wait to spend more time here. Oh my gosh, look at all of the super bloom on the side of the road. This is so